Hello, Professor Jolie. For this week's article or PPM reflection, we are focusing on the Prepare prenatal parenting program that enhances prenatal services for new parents or soon-to-be parents. Um, the outcome of the Prepare is to provide intervention sessions to parents or soon-to-be parents about their questions and concerns about parenthood as well as pregnancy, as well and offering activities for them so that the pregnancy experience isn't bad for either the mother, the baby, or the father, since he kind of has to be there and see it all happen. The program will compare three groups of families that will obtain different types of programs. One will get the Prepare and Healthy Steps specialists. I think they, in the article, they said it was abbreviated as HSS. The second group will get only the HSS, and the last one will get the regular HMO practice. So, along with that, the doctors have been giving advice about clinical childcare, but will now combine behavioral slash development stages information of the children, and that's really what the basis of the program is about, adding on specialists to the program to help parents with understanding their children's development as well as improving it and creating awareness for the parents to succeed in doing that. The predisposing factors to this article is the way the practitioners use their skills and knowledge in a certain situation with the families. With the practitioner's knowledge, they probably already have a set way for dealing with situations or having a belief or attitude on what the pregnant women or family supporting the pregnant woman should already be doing or having awareness of. Of course, when you're new parents or you find out you're gonna be pregnant, you don't really know what to do besides knowing the basics of not drinking, not smoking, not doing certain drugs and stuff like that. So when the healthy step specialist or practitioner get a situation like this where there is a mother that does those things, they already have this idea or attitude of the person and therefore puts them in other interventions or other types of medical treatment that will help them get out of that habit, or at least help them understand that those habits aren't really healthy behaviors, and those behaviors will potentially harm the baby. So the reinforcing factors, as the new parents are getting these interventions from their caretakers or their Prepare group, they are getting regulated checkups, whether it is through the 3 home visits or the telephone follow-ups. The parents are also getting feedback about the progress they've been making, as well as getting new information for creating change that benefits the mother, the baby, and the father, as well as other family members as they give support in the situation. They are encouraged to read information from the intervention or also be there during the meetings to show support for the new parents or pregnant mother if she is single or depending on the situation. Some enabling factors are would be the practitioner or doctor support, the kind of skill and information they bring to the situation to promote positive change in the family they are working with. Other enabling factors towards the mother would be what kind of person is giving the support. Are they well aware? Are they going to try to take control of the situation, or are they going to more so guide them through it? Guide the pregnant mothers through it, or do they have enough certain training? So making sure, another thing is making sure that there is nothing that will prevent the mother from attending such interventions, or anything that will stop them from getting information about pregnancy or the child development. Another thing is also making sure that The information that is given will accommodate each family and pregnant mother to their specific need.